Prescription. I'm Sherry, the host of this channel and the Kitchen Prescription food blog. Today's the second part to the last video that I did, which was tzatziki sauce, and today I'll be sharing with you my chicken Souvlaki recipe. I hope you enjoy it, and please visit thekitchenprescription.com for more recipes. I'll make sure to link all the videos together, and in this video I'll be linking the tzatziki sauce along with my pita pocket flatbread recipe.
You'll need 2 large garlic cloves peeled and roughly chopped, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sea salt. You'll also need fresh parsley and oregano, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 lemons, and 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil. I recommend a mini food processor, but if you don't have one, you could just chop everything by hand. Start by adding your 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil. Add the garlic cloves, pepper, salt, and I probably used about a tablespoon each of fresh parsley and fresh oregano. Add the honey, then the zest of 1 lemon. Now add the juice of 2 whole lemons. This marinade makes enough for about 2 chicken breasts. Slice the chicken breasts into 1-inch cubes. Try and keep them as uniform as possible. Place the chicken cubes into a bowl and pour over the marinade. Mix well and place plastic wrap over the bowl. Refrigerate at least 2 hours, but overnight is recommended. Time to skewer. Soak your wooden skewers in water an hour before grilling. These are going to be so tender and delicious. Season your grill with a high heat oil so your chicken doesn't stick. We use avocado oil. Thanks for watching. The full recipe will be listed below and on thekitchenprescription.com. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get notified of new videos. See you next time.